Are you gearing up for your next camping adventure and looking for the perfect stove to cook up some delicious meals in the great outdoors? With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to find the right one. In this video, we'll break down the 7 best camping stoves that are sure to make your camping experience enjoyable and hassle-free. From compact models for solo hikers to powerful stoves for group cooking, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to discover the best camping stove that fits your needs. Number 1. One GS3400P dual-fuel camping stove is a versatile and dependable option for outdoor cooking. This stove stands out because it can run on both propane and butane, offering flexibility depending on your fuel availability. Its dual-fuel capability makes it ideal for varying camping conditions and fuel sources, ensuring you are prepared regardless of what's available at your campsite. The design of the GS3400P features a compact, lightweight build that is easy to transport and set up. With a sturdy frame and an integrated windscreen, this stove minimizes the impact of wind on your cooking efficiency. The adjustable heat dial provides precise control over the flame, allowing you to simmer or boil with equal ease. The stove's ignition system is reliable and user-friendly, ensuring quick startups without the hassle of matches or lighters. In terms of quality, the GS3400P is built with durability in mind. The stove is constructed from high-grade materials that withstand the rigors of outdoor use, including rough handling and exposure to elements. The stainless steel burner is robust and performs efficiently, even under heavy use. This stove is also easy to clean with a drip tray that catches spills and debris, making post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Number 2. Camp Chef EX60LW Explorer 2 burner stove is designed for campers who need more cooking power and space. This stove features 2 high-output burners, each delivering up to 30,000 BTUs of heat, making it perfect for cooking large meals or multiple dishes simultaneously. Its design includes a sturdy steel frame and a rugged construction that can handle the demands of outdoor cooking. One of the standout features of the EX60LW is its versatility. The stove comes with a removable cast iron grill and griddle, allowing you to switch between grilling, and boiling. This flexibility is ideal for preparing a variety of meals, from pancakes to steaks. The stove also has a built-in windscreen to shield the flames from the wind, ensuring consistent cooking performance in breezy conditions. The EX60LW's quality construction is evident in its robust design. The steel frame is powder-coated for added durability and resistance to rust. The burners are equipped with precise heat controls, giving you the ability to adjust the flame to suit different cooking requirements. This stove also includes a built-in matchless ignition system, making it easy to light without the need for additional tools. Number 3. AOTU Portable Backpacking Stove with Piezo Ignition is a compact and efficient stove designed for hikers and backpackers. This stove is notable for its lightweight and portable design, making it easy to carry in a backpack without adding significant weight. Despite its small size, the AOTU stove delivers impressive performance with its reliable piezo ignition system and robust flame output. The stove's design features a folding structure that minimizes space when packed away. The piezo ignition system ensures a quick and hassle-free start, eliminating the need for matches or lighters. The adjustable flame control allows you to fine-tune the heat for precise cooking, from boiling water to cooking small meals. The stove's build includes a stable base and heat-resistant materials, ensuring it remains steady and safe during use. Quality-wise, the AOTU stove is constructed from durable aluminum and stainless steel, providing both strength and lightness. Its compact design does not compromise on performance, offering a consistent and efficient burn. The stove's ability to fit into small cooking pots and its minimal weight make it an excellent choice for long-distance trekkers who need a reliable and space-saving cooking solution. Number 4. Coleman Triton 2-burner propane camping stove is a popular choice among campers for its user-friendly design and reliable performance. This stove features 2 burners, each with a maximum output of 11,000 BTUs, providing ample heat for cooking a variety of meals. Its compact and portable design makes it suitable for both car camping and outdoor adventures. The Triton stove's design includes a durable steel construction with a wind-blocking panel that helps shield the flames from gusts and ensures even cooking. The burners are adjustable, allowing you to control the heat with precision. The stove's Insta-Start ignition system simplifies lighting, so you can start cooking without the need for matches. In terms of quality, the Triton stove is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The steel body is designed for durability and easy cleaning, with a removable drip tray that catches spills and food debris. The stove's robust construction ensures it remains stable and reliable, even when used on uneven surfaces. Number 5. Jetboil Zip Camping Stove System Carbon is an innovative and efficient stove designed for ultralight backpacking and camping. This stove system includes a compact cooking pot and a powerful burner that work together to provide quick and efficient heat. The Zip stove's design emphasizes speed and portability, making it an ideal choice for hikers who prioritize lightweight gear. The stove's design features a unique integrated cooking system that includes a fluxing pot, which enhances heat transfer and reduces cooking times. The burner has a maximum output of 8,200 BTUs, which is sufficient for rapid boiling and simple cooking tasks. The stove system also includes a convenient lid with a built-in strainer, adding to its functionality. Quality-wise, the Jetboil Zip is constructed with durable materials that ensure long-lasting performance. The stove's design includes a stable base and a secure pot attachment system, providing stability during use. The compact and self-contained nature of the system makes it easy to pack and transport, fitting into most backpacks without taking up too much space. Number 6. FSMini Stove Windscreen is an essential accessory for outdoor cooking, designed to enhance the performance of your camping stove by providing protection from wind. This windscreen is available in multiple sizes including 10, 12, 14, and 16 plates, making it compatible with a variety of stove setups. The design of the LFSEMINI windscreen includes a series of overlapping plates that create a barrier against wind, improving the efficiency of your stove by focusing the heat on your cookware. The windscreen is made from durable aluminum, which is both lightweight and heat-resistant. Its foldable design allows for easy storage and transport, fitting conveniently into your camping gear. In terms of quality, the LFSEMINI windscreen is built to withstand outdoor conditions, including exposure to high temperatures and harsh weather. The aluminum construction ensures durability and resistance to corrosion. The windscreen's effectiveness in reducing wind impact and improving heat retention makes it a valuable accessory for outdoor cooking. Specifications for the LFSEMINI include adjustable plate sizes to fit different stove models and cooking setups. The windscreen's foldable design and lightweight materials make it easy to carry and use. For campers looking to enhance their stove's performance in windy conditions, the LFSEMINI Stove Windscreen is an excellent choice. Finally, number 7. ROVSUN 2-burner outdoor propane gas stove is a powerful and versatile stove designed for outdoor cooking. With 2 burners each providing 20,000 BTUs, this stove offers ample heat for preparing a variety of meals. Its design includes a sturdy frame and a spacious cooking area, making it suitable for group camping and large meals. The stove features a durable steel construction with a rust-resistant finish, ensuring long-lasting performance and easy maintenance. The built-in windscreen helps shield the flames from the wind, providing consistent heat for reliable cooking. The burners are equipped with adjustable controls, allowing you to fine-tune the heat output for different cooking needs. In terms of quality, the ROVSUN stove is built to withstand the demands of outdoor use. The sturdy frame and heavy-duty construction ensure stability and durability, even on uneven surfaces. The stove's efficient heat distribution and robust build make it a reliable choice for outdoor cooking. Thanks for watching our guide to the 7 best camping stoves. We hope this helps you find the ideal stove for your outdoor cooking needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more camping gear reviews and tips. Happy camping and cooking!